Emakhosini vokona bomkhulu ngiyanamkela futhi ku channel yami nisahleli nesalokazi senu uyintombi endala ugogo Patricia. So namhlanje sizokhuluma ngalo hlobo lomoya othandwa kakhulu. Lightning guys, I don't know if I should continue recording or what, but anyways sizokhuluma ngohlobo lemimoya that people like. Everybody these days bayingane zamanzi. Everybody these days banenzuza. You know, I was speaking nomunye gogo and she was like, you know, sometimes ngiyengifisa ukuthi ngathi kungaba nomkhumbi like iskebe esikhulu nje esindlula even the MSC cruise, you know. But wonke umuntu othi yena uyingane yamanzi makangena. Mayiqeda lo mkhumbi ufike in the middle of the ocean. Bese thiweke ukuthi okay masiproveni ke ukuthi siyingane zamanzi. Because wow child, wonke umuntu uyingane yamanzi, you know. And it saddens me ukuthola a lot of messages or calls umuntu athi Gogo, I'm confused in my spiritual journey. Highlight confused in the spiritual journey. And I've been told ukuthi nginenzuza, ngilungisa kanjani inzuza. Where did you get from being confused nge spiritual journey sakho and being told ukuthi unenzuza and you want to fix inzuza? La fanele ugcine khona ufuna ukuqala khona. How does that happen? How does that happen? Like yes, inzuza wonke umuntu uyayithanda, I understand. Number one, you don't know how to phahla. Number two, mangikubuza ukuthi okay, tell me maybe last dreams that you've had. Gogo angikhuphi. Number three, you were told by somebody ukuthi unenzuza. What I can tell you, or the advice that I can give you, is that mawingane yenzuza, you will definitely know. You know, there's dreams where we can say if you dream of Caucasian people, or whichever people, that can be le lightning. If you dream of Caucasian people or whatever people, that's umdawo. If you dream when you have inzuza, child, you won't even have to ask or think or do anything. Inzuza will come and tell you exactly who they are. It will come, you will know, even the people inzuza, they will come and tell you, listen, Tina singamanzuza. And you will not have a doubt. Even if wahlangana nomuntu estratini wathi hey unamanga unanzuza, you won't even care because you know. But as opposed to being told by somebody, it's easy to say, yeah, Mara, what if I don't have, because I don't have signs, I don't have, you understand? So, and what I would love people to know is that there's three types in this category. Kunomuntu ogwayena yenzuza. Kunomuntu oyingane yenzuza. Kunomuntu oyisizukulu senzuza. Mawingane yenzuza angeke ulashwe izukulu. And mawinzuza angeke ulashwe ingane noma isizukulu senzuza. And one thing I know is that when it wants to work or when it starts to work, it will tell you exactly how to fix it, where to fix it. Because it's one spirit that does not beat around the bush. And it does not want to leave you confused. Or this dream was confusing. No. And if there's things that you still need to fix, fix that first. Inzuza izofika yona ngesikhathi sayo. It knows exactly when izofika. It knows exactly how ukuthi uyosebenza kanjani. I don't have to tell you how to fix it. I don't have to tell you who has to help you. It will tell you exactly who will assist you and how it will work. That's why abaningi benu, because now you are confused. You go around telling people ukuthi bathi nginenzuza, uzogcina ungena esigodlweni esi wrong esaziyo ukuthi abantwana noma umuntu onenzuza kuye baye bathwetshulwe because of why bathi bathwebula amandla abo, because they are powerful, bahamba nenzuza. Because of why you've made yourself vulnerable. It's like you've opened a portal, you've opened i-Bluetooth yokuthi manje yonke labantu, yonke le mimoya ibe ne-access kuwe, and then now your people are trying to cover you. That's why even when they want to tell you ukuthi unenzuza, they come directly to you. And umuntu onenzuza ongenayo inzuza will never see ukuthi unenzuza, bayasifihla. Into bazoyibona uyohamba wena kuthiwe unesilwane, uzobhizi wena ugezana nezilwane, ukhiphana nezilwane, kanti akunasilwane lutho la. You understand? And I had this conversation no gogo, this gogo athi, you know, it's so surprising how a lot of people know ukuthi okay, mawingane yenzuza awuthakatheki, mawingane yenzuza iyakulwela, but day in day out ugezana nezichitho wena, day in day out ulahlana nezilwane. Impilo yakho wena mabakuthakatha uyathakatheka. Do you have it? Like, just ask yourself. I'm not talking about maybe the financial problems, because vele mawingane yenzuza you face problems, but it's problems that are not beyond you, and it's problems that you don't even have to lift a finger. If back tagata, you don't even have to lift a finger. You don't even have to do any send to back to sender, right? Unenzuza day in day out when we are uhlabana, uqhitha igazi, welo nembuzi, welo uyachithana namagazi, welo uyemfuleni, umuntu okise emfuleni, fuqa ngemithi, bhakede egcwele imithi, fuqa ngemithi. And inzuza, it's a nice spirit to have. Kodwa, I sometimes wish people, if they knew ukuthi akusu umoya wokudlalelwa loyo. Like, if really, maybe if ungenayo, maybe you can play saying inayo and you still use your muti, nothing happens. Vela unayo. But if really unayo, child, you don't want to face the wrath of inzuza. You don't, because you using leo mithi yakho kuyovele kushabalale yonke into. No, uyahlaba wena. Hayi, amen. And if you are told unayo, I'm not disputing ukuthi probably awunayo. All I'm saying is know that unayo, kodwa focus on connecting with your ancestors. Focus on healing yourself. Focus on growing spiritually. Then yona izoza maseyibona ukuthi uready. Yabo. Inzuza, it's not one spirit like every weekend, every once a month you go emanzini ngiyokhuphula isithunywa ngiyokhuphula isithunywa hey ngemanzini ngiyokhuphula isithunywa hey ngemanzini ngiyokhuphula. You can't say hey ngiyokhuphula inzuza namhlanje. Inzuza, when it's ready ukuphakama, ukusebenza, ukulungiswa, izokutshela ukuthi thina yithi laba uzosithola lana, uzoyenza 1 2 3 4 5, nangu umuntu ozokunceda noma akekho umuntu ozokunceda, zihambele ziyi-1, like anything. But at the end of the day, it will be direct message, noma direct, instruction to when. You won't beat around the bush, futhi you will not be confused. So all I'm saying is that let's connect to our ancestors. Let's trust our guides. Let's heal from childhood traumas, and there's a video I want to make about this childhood traumas. When we talk about childhood traumas, what are we talking about exactly? Because a lot of people get confused when it comes to that. But anyway, Emakhosini, Lesedi, Khanya, Tamaku, Ndawe, don't forget to subscribe.